Hi, Gator, and I'm here for it. This is Alien Flexible Seal Spray. The real deal seal that won't chip, crack, dry out, or peel. Yeah, we know it works great for repairing leaks in roofs, sealing up gutters watertight, and fixing leaky drain pipes. And that saves you a ton of cash. Alien Seal is a rubberized, flexible, self-leveling spray you can use to patch, seal, and waterproof every day. Check this out. Got an old wooden hammer you can't let go of, but it wants to let go of you? Just Alien Seal it for a non-slip grip. Waterproof your camping gear for a safe, dry trip. It stands up to extreme cold and extreme heat. Alien Seal fills in concrete cracks and joints from weeds and debris. Seals leaks and air ducts in your HVAC. Alien Seal Spray. It's great for sealing your wood siding and also sealing the air and moisture away from your window edges. And can be painted to perfectly match. For weather prep, home improvement, or repair, Alien Seal Spray saves you money everywhere. Don't get caught in an expensive leaky situation. Alien is the real deal seal that won't chip, crack, dry out, or peel. And I'm standing by that statement. All right then, next.
We guarantee Alien Seal Spray will pay for itself with just one use.